To my question, I think that is out of my control. Last year, what occurred was part of the sport. We bowled, I think, 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes late the last over, and at that point of time, I didn't know the consequences, what can happen. But yeah, I mean, it is unfortunate, but I think rule says it. That means I have to go with the process. Next year, do they continue, not continue? I think that is on the higher authorities. They can definitely see into it what best can be done and see how we can take it forward. I mean, just play good cricket. Have a lots of smile around. How do we turn around? I think the answer is by playing good cricket, being with each other at the same point of time, doing our processes right. Having those plans which coaches and all the support staff which creates, go and execute that at your best ability, and at the same point of time just enjoy. I think with this group, the kind of talent and the kind of ability is there. I think it's important that we enjoy and look forward for all the games which are coming forward. So I don't think there is a rocket science to turn around things, but definitely there will be some basic things which if we can tick box, I think this team will look very, very good.
Hi, I have a question for each of you. I'll start with Hardik, if you don't mind. Hardik, speaking about last year, it was challenging obviously for the team, more possibly for you individually, dealing with everything. How much would the fact that whatever you and the boys in other blue have achieved in the last 10 months, how much would it help you and the group as such at the start of the season?
Massive, I think. Playing for India has been always prideful. It has always been the #1 priority, and I think winning 2 ICC trophies for India is something which is very close to all of our heart, and there is a lot of joy. So I think that joy will carry forward into IPL as well, and we'll look forward to take up this challenge as well, where Emma has not got 4 years. Last 4 years has been dry. So yeah, the challenge and the excitement part is that we can go for it with all joyness and at the same point of time all togetherness. That's what exactly we are communicated, and at the same point of time all are in the same line.